Okay, after this. Talk to me. Tell me a story.
This.
What'd you do at school today?
I play this.
What'd you do at school? Did you play outside?
I play outside.
What else did you do?
I play.
Did you play with a fire truck?
No.
No.
Fire truck's not.
Oh, the fire truck is nanite?
Yeah.
Oh. Kaden, what are you going to dress up as tomorrow? Are you going to be a cowboy?
I want to see Daddy.
He's not on this. See, it's not on there.
Good night, Anna.
Kaden, whose bed are you in? Whose bed is this?
Right.
Mommy's bed.
Right.
Are you tired?
No.
Kaden. Hey, mister. I love you.
I want to see Daddy.
Do you miss your daddy?
No.
You don't? That's not very nice.
I'm doing funny.
You want to do the funny again?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
You get funny.
Okay, go ahead. On the couch, or on the bed. I've got it. I'm taping.
Yeah.
What are you going to do that's funny?
Oh, funny. Okay, funny.
Are you funny?
Okay, funny.
Are you tired today?
No.
You're not tired?
Yeah.
Is that why you have the blankie and the thumb in your mouth? Do you want to tell anybody anything?
I want to see Kate on funny couch.
You want to see Kaden on the funny couch?
Yeah. Cheese.
Cheese.
No cheese.
No cheese?
Yeah.
Hey, Kaden, look at Mom.
Mommy.
Uh-huh.
Cheese. Can.
Go. Show me your teeth. Do you have any teeth?
No.
I bet you don't. Well, you couldn't show me them if you wanted to. Don't show me your teeth. I don't want to see those. Okay, well, tell this one bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later, alligator. Adios, amigo.
No.
Kaden, is it bedtime?
No.
Say bye.
No, bye, Shannon.
Yeah, that's okay. You want to watch your Kaden again?
Yeah.
Well, look at this and say bye.
No. No.